40 slides for 20 minutes. Let's see if I can run through them. So Data Privacy Act was enacted last year. It was signed actually even before the Cybercrime Prevention Act. I call it the neglected older brother of the Cybercrime Prevention Act. Everybody was concerned about cybercrime, that nobody paid any attention to data privacy. So the Cybercrime Prevention Act is RA 10175. The Data Privacy Act is 10173. And I think one of the reasons why it got no attention was because the media was not affected by the Data Privacy Act. So if you're from media, you can choose not to pay attention to what I'm going to say, because the Data Privacy Act has a very broad exemption for journalists. So if the use of the data is for journalistic purposes, it is excluded. However, what the Data Privacy Act does is that it actually regulates the use of a lot of what's known as personal information, and regulates it as a way to protect somebody's privacy. So privacy is a very confusing, because I'll preface with what privacy is. So privacy regulation is actually a quite confusing area of the law. Even if you talk to a lawyer what privacy is, he's likely to tell you, oh, it's the right against unreasonable search and seizure, that the government can't enter your house without a search warrant. They can't do, actually technically, a police officer is not supposed to search your vehicle without your consent. Kaya lang tayo in this country, I guess for security concerns, we're very liberal in the sense that we give up our privacy rights. I mean, you walk into any mall, it's just second nature, we show them the contents of our bag. Technically, that's a violation of your privacy right. When we go to in other countries, that's unacceptable. Like in the US, unacceptable. There are people that in the US, they complain about airport security. Even just the X-ray, the questions, they find that an invasion of privacy. So privacy. So what is privacy? Privacy is it is the ability or the right of an individual to control the flow of information about himself. Okay, so there's information about me that privacy is my ability to control that. So when you think about it, say from the context of relationships, you regulate your relationships by the amount of information you give to people. So if it's a business associate, you might disclose less personal information and more professional information. If it's a close personal friend, you might disclose information about yourself that you would not disclose to other people. In fact, the way you regulate your relationship between family and friends, that is all part of the right to privacy. So even when you think about from the context of somebody looking into your bag, the contents of your bag contain information about yourself, right? Like what's inside your bag, what stuff do you carry around with you. All of these give cues and inadvertently give information about yourself. Now, for data privacy, so if you distill privacy down to your ability to control your personal information or any information that can be linked to you, data privacy law tries to give us the right to control any kind of personal information that is collected and used, that is collected about us and its use and further disclosure. Now, why does data privacy law do this? Now, if you think about it, data privacy regulation seems like a preliminary step because it really talks about data flow without considering the purpose behind that data flow, diba? Kasi parang, if information is passed on, let's say Citibank is collecting information from me, every time I use my credit card, Citibank knows how much, what I'm spending on, and etc. Now, if Citibank passes on that information to somebody else for commercial purposes, that is under the law already considered a violation unless certain consents are in place. Meaning I consented to that transfer of information. If I didn't consent to that transfer of information, then my privacy right has been violated because, as I mentioned, privacy right is about controlling that information. You, the data subject, it's your ability to control that information. But data privacy, when you think about it, it's a preliminary step to other things like discrimination. So let's say that Google and